Hi, this is Divya, and I'm glad I chose to take this workshop. Thank you, Middle Earth, for giving us this opportunity to be a part of the CPTP workshop. The sessions are very well structured and designed, and it was very knowledge driven, along with a lot of practical applications to make our learning better and much more profound. The assignments ensure that we delve deeper into building our understanding of the psychometric assessments and how they can be used for hiring. Thank you for also sharing all the resources which will enable us to develop our understanding further. I would also like to thank Tanta and everyone in the Middle Earth team for making this journey very easeful for us. Thank you so much.